Very intense.
Start off with the match between
Hand
Rohit
fight.
and Ashwin.
Push him.
What's the push out?
A very technical feeling out process to kick things off.
Nice, Ashwin. Keep fighting with the head.
Ashwin keeping his elbows close, defensively sound. Rohit
Hand.
with the first attack.
Come up, come up.
Beautiful attack by Rohit. Sasaya.
Spin to your left.
To a back kick. This is getting close to a finish in the first minute. The arm is trapping. The only challenge.
Open the leg,
Rohit has
turn to the
is
left and get up.
arm is trapped as well.
It's
He has
okay.
to get his arm
Be safe
out.
first, Ashwin.
Get your underhooks. Yeah, try to secure your seatbelt if you feel you're losing this.
Ashwin
Fight with the
Take
hips.
him to the other side. Take him to the other side.
can
One
let
hand on
Other
the
side. Other side.
Walk one of the hooks out.
Okay.
That can open. him
Take-
for-
Take the.
Turn. Use your hips. Use your
Take
hips.
the mount.
Ashwin
Keep going. Bump,
getting
bump,
back to the
bump,
mat.
bump him.
Just
Bump him, bump him.
again.
Both hands under.
Both hands under.
Bump. Escape through the back.
Escape to the back door, let's go.
Yeah, he'll do the backdoor escape. Just watch.
Build up, Ashwin.
Free
Build
that.
up,
Free
bro.
that. Free that. Free that.
Build up.
Take
up,
side,
build
take
up,
side
build up.
control. Take side control. Take side control. Take side control. It's okay. Take side control.
Ashwin, stand up.
Rohit actually swimming between. Yes.
Nice.
Both hands under. Both hands under.
Down.
Nice.
Goes back to his back attack. Now he's the triangle.
Yes, go for
There
it.
is a triangle which is in. And
Get up.
Watch.
Ashwin
Maintain
has to get
control. Maintain
Ashwin
control.
between the devil and the Lindsay here.
Put it.
He goes too straight. There is a triangle. Back
go into the
Put it in your
body.
armpit. Armpit.
Use your hips.
Armpit.
Build up.
Armpit.
Get under the body triangle.
Armpit.
That's it. That's a finish there.
Let him come back. Should we keep him there?
Intense forward. Stop.
From Institute of Jiu-Jitsu.
Nice.
Watch.
Get the second leg.
Going out
Get
of
the-
there. Coming back in.
Nice. Watch the push out. Keep circling.
Build up.
Keep circling. Keep circling.
Throw your hips under you. Hips under.
Sprawl.
Hips under him, bro. Hips under.
Yes, nice. Nothing's there.
Nice.
Nothing's there. Don't.
Heavy.
Heavy hips.
Aman there attempting to get close.
Square and heavy hips.
Has to be happy with the half guard.
Okay. It's okay. Establish your frame.
Near side elbow.
This is quite an even position.
Watch your top arm. Keep a good
Beat the knee
frame.
shield. Beat the knee shield first.
Watch the neck. Use your right hand to free that neck if he comes for a gate in.
Looking to flatten him out.
Over.
In
Move
this
on, smash it
position,
first.
it is
Smash the shield.
more
Smash the shield.
feasible
Smash the
for-
shield.
Right,
Smash
West.
the shield.
If he can
Try to
take
win your
the
underhook.
player's shoulders touch the mat.
Pressure.
This is not a pin in wrestling.
Toriando.
It's not a win,
Right.
but it's still.
Rumble passing, Govind. Rumble passing. Take the back.
Watch that. Watch.
Goes to back attack. Has
Nice.
Good job, Bhuvan. Good
Make
job.
him fin. Take the back.
now has both hands in.
Connect the hands.
This is threatening a finish here. Bowen has his
Don't
arms
cross your legs,
connected
bro.
around
Don't
the
cross
neck.
your legs.
Take your time,
Aman
Govind. Take your
has to be
time.
careful. Has to be sounding his defense. Has to look
Take
to
your
what
time,
the
Bhuvan.
hands
Take your
go.
time.
Cannot let.
Grip fight.
Bowen-
Aman. Turn. If you turn, you get a reversal.
Flatten him out.
Try to
Bhuvan,
circle.
flatten him
Try
out.
to rotate there. Grip
Use your
fight.
hooks. Flatten him out.
Get a 2-on-1, Aman. Get a 2-on-1.
The referee sets the match.
Beach.
The
Just
defender has to look to get.
Bhuvan, you got
when
it,
you
bro.
go behind and back at him are two different things. He already inserted the hook, so that would not be a hook.
For the defender,
Yeah.
for the attacker, they're looking for submission.
Tell him get the gift wrap immediately.
Very close to the submission. So, one will just be looking to finish here. Aman will have
2-on-1,
to
2-on-1.
to touch the mat to exit this position if he's to get into a safer position.
Grab his knuckles. Aman, grab his knuckles. Yes, bro. Knuckles, not the wrist.
Govind, pressure. Hips in.
Ready to go here again.
Slip your head, Aman.
Has
Feed it to the gift wrap, feed it to the gift wrap.
Has to be very
Bhuvan, gift
careful.
wrap, gift wrap.
Has to get his back to the mat.
Take a good
Hold his
turn.
left hand.
Keep rotating, Aman. Keep rotating.
He has to entirely circle the neck and then look for the
Yes,
finish.
yes, good, good, good.
The
Watch.
overhook hand, the hand which is around the neck.
Over
of
your
the
head.
bottom. That's the one.
Good job,
Now
Bhuvan.
you
Nice,
see the
Bhuvan.
hands. Both
Keep
hands
the
are
pressure,
over.
keep the pressure.
Flat him out,
Flat,
flat him out,
hips, hips,
flat him
hips,
out.
hips in. Hips in, hips in, hips in. Nice.
Yes, good job, good job.
Now.
Keep the pressure, keep the pressure.
You look for a finish.
Move on, double underhook.
Aman, watch that. Try to turn, Aman.
Still
Clear the hooks. Don't watch that grab. Free your hand, free your hand. Yes.
Improvement for the back
Yes,
player.
keep circling.
If you grab one of the arms,
Take your
that
time,
is
bro,
good.
take your time.
There'll be two
Try
of
to
this
clear
side,
the hook.
one arm of the defender.
Push the elbow, push the elbow.
So you will
Keep rotating, Aman. Keep
Come
rotating.
up,
Yes.
come up.
Keep the back.
Keep rotating, Aman.
IJ looking to trap one of the arms if he can do that.
Pass the legs, pass the legs. Stand up, stand up. Try to stand up,
Pass the
Aman.
elbow and come up for a single.
Watch the
Pass the
triangle.
elbow, take it back, take it back,
Watch
take
the
it back.
triangle. Watch the triangle.
Add bumps.
Just over 2 minutes left on the clock, and Aman
Under-
is down.
under the right leg.
Push the shin
Pull
down.
him
Push the
forward,
shin
pull him
down.
to the
Push
left,
the
pull him to
shin
the
down. Push
Pass
the
the
shin.
elbow, pass the elbow.
Push the shin.
Aman has to go on the attack. He needs to
Push the shin. Grab the shin and push it down. Left
Walk to
hand
the left.
on the shin. There is nothing there. There is nothing there, Aman.
Bhuvan,
Aman, you have to
Sweep
come
him,
back
sweep
to
him.
position. You are getting extended. Bring your elbows back in.
Bhuvan, climb up, climb up, climb your legs up, climb your legs up. Yeah, nice, keep doing that. Climb up, climb up,
Go
climb
for
up.
it. Go for it. Go for it, Aman. Go for it.
Straight in the hand, straight in the hand.
Okay, now posture up. Posture up. Pass.
Pull him up, pull him up, pull him up. Come up,
Underhook. Underhook. Get your underhook.
Get back.
Get your underhook.
Bump and get a single. Both hands under. Both hands under. Come up.
Pass and mount. Pass and mount.
Come up, come up. Bhuvan,
Take the
get
back.
up,
Take
get
the
up.
back.
Go there, go there.
Take the back. Go to the
Get
back.
the
Get to the back.
single. Single. Bhuvan, get the single.
Get your hooks first. Get your hooks.
Get up,
Get your
stand up,
hooks.
stand up.
Get your hooks. Get your hooks.
Bhuvan,
Get your hooks. Nice. Seat belt. Seat belt. Seat belt. Seat belt.
Bhuvan, turn it
Seat
in,
belt.
turn it
Seat
in,
belt.
turn
Seat
it
belt.
in.
Seat belt. Seat belt. Seat belt. Aman. Seat belt. Aman. Seat belt.
Aman has piled on the
Get the hits in, turn to.
Down. Nice.
Bhuvan, bump and get both your hands under him. Both your hands under.
Red process time.
That's good. That's good. You are good, Aman.
Move on. Bro, bro, 30 seconds.
Relax. Focus. 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 Focus.
Chill, chill.
24 seconds.
What?
Time to work.
Both hands under.
Deficit.
Trap and roll, trap and roll.
Aman looking for a finish.
Trap and roll.
Yes. Underhook. 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 Don't do that.
Bump,
Underhook. Underhook.
bump. Use your hips.
Watch.
Both hands under.
Watch. Yes. Nice.
Bhuvan, both hands under.
Yes. Watch the
Bump,
watch the
bump,
bump.
bump.
Watch the bump. Yes.
Keep bumping.
Watch the bump. Yes. Watch the bump.
Both hands under. Both hands under. Bump. Now bump. Bhuvan, bump.
Move on, on, dude, get out.
Use your legs. Use your legs.
Shubham, you'll go. But what play your game?
Shubham versus Parod. Parod.
Nice, Shubham. Nice. Off balance. Off
Heavy
balance.
hips. Heavy hips.
Off balance.
Goes 1 point up. Hasn't passed the
Smash.
bar.
Smash his hips. Smash his hips.
Shubham still keeping one
Watch
of
that.
his legs inside.
Yes, good.
So he
Cross
has
the
his
underhook.
knee. Alright. Guard. Yes, that leg straight. Okay.
Yes.
Nice. Pass, pass, pass to the
Good
right.
top pressure.
You're doing the right thing. Nice,
Nice.
Farooq.
Nice.
Much
Good.
higher risk of getting
You got-
fast here for Shubham. And he gets fast. No.
Ah, get your guard back
Fight
in.
the underhook. Underhook.
Nice. Frame. Right hand. Frame.
Left
चेहरे के
underhook.
सामने से frame. Right hand चेहरे. हाँ. Okay. This is also good. This is good. This is
Underhook.
good. Ah, this is good. Start framing. Start framing. This is good.
Shubham keeping his frames intact.
Fight the underhook.
Keep
Fight
your
the
guard. Keep your guard. Keep your
Looking
guard.
actively to
Win your grips. Win your grips.
work his elbows.
Win your grip,
Crossface,
Shubham. That's
crossface,
fine.
Farooq. Crossface.
Don't worry about that.
Left hand
Just keep your
crossface.
elbows inside. He's good. You're good.
Smash his frames. Smash his frames.
Yes.
You're doing well.
Yes. Good. Now knee lever. Watch this.
Like you see now.
Watch. Yes. Off
You're
balance.
doing well.
Off-
You're doing well, Farooq. Keep fighting.
Defensively sound.
good, good,
for
good.
player to keep their elbows close to their ribs.
Yes. Good.
Use
That's a good.
underhook left hand.
Nice, nice. Come on top, come on top, come on top. Come on top.
Take the back, take the back.
Okay, good, good,
Farooq,
good.
take the back.
Good.
Push him, push the knee. Knee tap, knee tap.
Nice. Nice. You got head control, head control, head control, head
Farooq,
control,
posture
head
up.
control, head
Clear the
control,
head.
head
Clear
control.
the head.
Play a quasi triangle. He has to.
Make a grip on your
Don't
shin,
do
make a
it.
grip on your shin,
Don't
make a
do
grip
it.
on your shin.
Clear the head.
Right hand, make a grip on your shin.
Posture up.
Right, left hand on your shin, left hand on your shin. Yeah, this,
Clear the head.
whatever you did, whatever you did.
Asking him to posture.
But off balance करो, off balance करो, left की तरफ. Okay,
clear the
that's
head,
good,
clear the
that's
head,
good,
clear
that's
the
good,
head.
that's good.
Submission.
Farooq, clear the head.
The more involved
Again,
submission.
go back to close guard, go back to close guard. This is good. Are you fine? Go back to close guard.
Step
Nice,
through.
nice. Watch. Watch top arm, top arm, top
Cross
arm.
face.
Goes inside.
Good. Lead पे तुम.
Good. Good, 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 good. I चुप रहो बे, कुछ भी.
Let's go, Bharat.
Yeah, keep your top arm safe. Watch the dots. Watch
Throw
the
the
dots.
crossface.
Watch the round drag.
Engage the
Yes,
hips
good,
more.
good, good. Good frame. Knee lever now,
Backstep,
knee lever
backstep.
now. That's a good time. Watch the
Don't overcome it, don't
Watch the
overcome
underhook.
it.
Yes,
Watch out
that.
to John Wayne.
yes. You can work your butterfly again.
Farooq
Farooq, use
Watch
the
this.
butterfly.
Okay. You're good.
keeping Shubham. So as you see,
Keep-
Farooq has worked Shubham's shoulder.
Keep building the pressure. You're doing well. Crossface. Left shoulder.
Around left.
Connect your hands.
Watch.
Connect your hands.
Left hand around
Connect your
the neck.
hands.
Left hand around the
Pressure.
neck. Left hand around the neck.
Pressure. Nice.
And Farooq uses
Mount.
Not yet,
Smash on
not yet,
mount,
not
smash on
yet.
mount.
He's not there
You got your
yet.
points. You got your mount points. Smash on mount. Go towards the
Recover.
back.
If you
Keep the
recover,
smash.
you get escape points.
Keep the pressure. Keep the pressure.
Recover, escape points. Recover, escape points.
Attacking with an arm triangle here.
Gift up.
Off balanced.
He's going for arm triangle.
Good, good, good.
Shubham.
Keep the pressure. Nice, Farooq. Nice. You are doing well.
No score yet. No score yet. You're good.
Hey,
Yes.
1 point.
Hey, boss, 1 point.
Smash.
Farooq
Yeah, lock up the legs. Pass. Nice.
Recover guard. Recover guard.
Keep cooking him. Keep cooking.
Now.
Take the back.
Turn. Make grips.
Don't cross your legs. Body triangle. Come up.
Rotate. Aman. Shubham.
Come up. Hips in. Nice. Stay in mount.
It's okay. You're good.
Hips in.
Leg entry. Count. Try to
Spread
count
the
down.
knees. Hips in. Good base. Nice. Cook him.
We have only a minute left.
Nice. Win the underhook.
Get your frames on the hips and off balance. Yeah,
You are
underhook.
doing good. You are
Use
doing
your
good.
right hand to block that elbow.
Walk your palm. Walk your palm on the mat. Walk your palm.
45 seconds to close.
Take the back again. Clear the elbow.
You're good.
Up by 4 points.
Off balance. Yes.
Smash and mount.
40 yards.
Stay on mount.
Half leg guard recover karo. Yes. Try to enter the legs.
Try to get a gift wrap.
Watch that.
Or isolate the hand. Isolate any hand.
He has to turn the tide here.
Try to
Nice, Farooq. You're doing
think about
well.
trap and roll.
Don't do that. Don't do that.
Legal. Don't worry about it. Trap and roll. Yes.
Hips in.
Yes.
Push the elbow.
Push the elbow, Bharat.
Watch the back take.
Nice, Farooq. You're doing well. Keep the eyes on the opponent.
And Farooq closing up the match.
How do you have to go? He's a guard player. He has good guard. Like, be aggressive. The guy who fought us.
Rohit from Flamingo, Joshua representing IJJ. In the blue. Rohit.
Nice
from the
squad.
red
Breathe.
Representing Flamingo.
Hand fight.
Oh, that's connected. Very good defense by Joshua there.
Yeah, this.
Keep going. Don't get pushed out, Cord. Don't get pull guard. Go for it. Nice. Build up.
Joshua pulling a single leg egg.
Nice, Cord. Your game. Keep that pace. He doesn't like it.
As Rohit is careful.
Unhook the near arm.
Joshua trying to get some kind of purchase.
Unhook the near arm and go for octopus.
Rohit looking for either a 2 on one grip on the hand.
Nice. Over.
Watch that
Head
leg.
and arm,
Yes.
head and arm, head and arm.
Watch.
Rohit.
You can enter the legs if you want.
Bump.
Cross face. Watch the neck. Cross
He
face.
made conscious of the knee position. So going for a bigger team here.
Nice. Come on, stand up.
Joshua and Rohit trying to pull a triangle here.
Keep going to the left, keep going to the left.
Neck
Keep going to the left.
Quite conscious of it.
You got that. Work that Kimura. Work that Kimura. Off balance him to your left.
Keep the pressure.
Yes. Go on to your forehead. If you have the Kimura grip, go on to your forehead.
Rohit
He wants that triangle, he wants that
Joshua
triangle.
trying to
Nice. Stay heavy.
Yes. Good.
Use your hips, use your hips. Bump.
Complete convert this.
Take the
Recover guard. Bump. Half guard.
Doubles.
Work the position first. Work the position.
Bump,
You're
half guard.
good. Yes.
Recover your guard.
Back
Yes.
is Rohit quite conscious.
Good, build up.
Work your hooks. Work your hooks.
Walk towards me. Walk towards me and rest.
Okay, nice. This is good. Kimura grip. First Kimura grip. Okay.
Oh.
He's going.
Bump.
Joshua is ready.
Recover your guard. Nice guard.
Watch
Recover
that bicep slicer. You have a
Watch the
bicep
slicer. Watch the
slicer.
slicer. Hey, slicers are not allowed.
You have a bicep slicer. Okay, that's good.
Trying to isolate one of the hands of Rohit with both his legs.
Side control
Got
points.
It's not usually effective.
Both hands under.
Take
Both
the
hands
back,
under the
take
right
the back,
side.
work the back,
Build
yes.
up.
Rohit has
Got bump and spin.
really
Spin.
control very well.
Spin. Keep spinning. Come up. Keep spinning. Hips. Keep spinning.
Watch.
Good finish by Rohit.
You are more technical. Nice.
The last bout between IJJ and Flamingo.
Remember the class.
Sharon representing Flamingo.
And fight.
Get it.
Last matchup.
Use that to
Inside
pass.
space.
Use that to
Double
pass.
coaching.
Use that to pass.
Sharon
Watch that. Yes, block that left arm. Left arm,
Don't
block
give
the
down
legs. Okay, disengage.
Nice.
Watch the push out. Go back.
Go to X card directly.
Engage, Charan. Don't
Attack
disengage.
the.
Engage.
Stick your hooks.
Pick him up.
Relax,
Supine.
Take your time. It's okay.
Yes.
He's backing out.
Yes. Now stack.
Stick your hooks.
Yes. Good. Block the right leg. Use your right leg to block. Yes.
Get single. Finish the single.
Sprawl.
Single. Finish the single. Get your head free.
That's
Nice. Hips in. Nice.
What was
Take your time.
Sharon
What was that?
Fight with your hips.
Charan, calm down. You got this.
Clear the elbow. Take the elbow. Cross the center line.
Strap and roll. You got that grip.
Underhook.
Nice. Yes, come on down. Nice. Now clear. Control it.
Keep the knees
First,
in.
clear the top. Clear the head control.
Cut the angle.
Clear the head. Push him at the ship.
Yeah.
Make a grip on the elbow and push.
started the match by pulling guard. So ideally Vivek has what he was looking to get. Close guard.
Nice, Vivek. Nice.
You're good.
You got it.
Pass the legs now.
Underhook. You got the underhook.
The close guard is a position where
Yes. Clear.
underhook.
Stand up.
Isolate the hand, isolate the hand.
Stand up.
Vivek was looking for earlier.
Make grips and stand up.
Double
Charan.
coaching. Enter.
Push the
Under
hands
the leg,
towards
under the
grips
leg.
and stand up.
Sharon
Win underhooks.
Go for triangles.
Stand up, Charan. Stand up. Watch
Yeah,
the
nice. No more X guard.
Clear.
Single leg X guard.
Control the ankles.
One finger on the mat.
Yes. Now clear. Watch. Keep your hands under.
Butterfly
Keep your
hook.
hands under.
Underhook. Right hand
Hands
underhook.
under.
Nice,
Don't
Vivek. It's okay.
disengage,
Take your
Charan.
time.
Good. Don't disengage.
These
You're
skew to
good.
one side. Skew to one side. Yeah. Fight with the hips.
Increase the pace, bro.
Charan, you have to
Pass
pass.
for a single whenever.
You're looking to pass.
on the cards.
Get underhook.
It's okay.
Get
Kosoto,
underhook cross face.
Use the Kosoto.
Cross face first. Cross face.
Build up. Nice. Vivek. Hips in. Heavy hips. Keep the cross face. Keep the underhook. It's okay. Take your time. Take your time. Take your time.
Recover guard, Charan. You will get your escape points. Recover guard.
Take your time. Take your time.
Right.
He's already-
Recover guard. Frame. Get your frames in. Turn to your side.
Fight the frames with your body.
Use your
Fight
left
the
leg to
frames.
hook. Left leg to get that hook.
Chest.
Yes. Now
Chest
start
straight,
sitting up.
chest
Start
straight.
sitting up. Start
Hips
sitting up.
straight,
He
hips
has
straight.
weight
Yeah,
on his
nice.
hips.
Don't overcome
You
it,
can
but
sit up.
straight. Underhook, underhook.
Watch
Take your time,
this,
take your time,
watch
take your time.
this. Yes.
Take your time, take your time.
Go up.
Spin.
Wrestle up, wrestle up, wrestle up, wrestle up. Wrestle up, Charan. Don't be afraid.
Top spin.
Wrestle up.
Nice, Vivek, nice. Be here, be
Same
heavy, be
position.
heavy.
Nothing
Take your
happens.
time.
Same
Take
work.
your time.
Charan, change. Make frames.
Nice, Vivekan.
Is it tired?
Isolate the hand now.
That's good. Frame.
Isolate.
What's the
Connect your hands.
arm triangle? Yes, bring it back in. Bring your left arm back
Keep
in.
the hips heavy. Yeah, push
Frame
that, push that,
and
push that.
get your guard back in.
Isolate the
Stop
hand.
playing
Get the
defensively,
underhook, get
Charan.
the underhook.
Get your guard back in.
Square hips, square hips, square hips. Square, nice.
Push. Use your right hand to
Square
push.
hips,
Yes.
again square hips.
Yes.
Square hips. Nice. Take your time, take your time. Keep your hips in, keep the pressure.
Yes, now get the head and arm. Vivek, keep working.
Isolate the hand, Vivek.
Nice.
Nice. Good head position.
Charan protecting.
Charan, you have to try and escape. Get that 1 point in.
Vivek, keep tension on that arm, on that underhook.
Looking to escape. He really has to take
Top spin to the other side. If you want to top spin to the other side, get. It's okay, take your time. Be heavy, be heavy.
Heavy underhook, Vivek. Be on belly and mouth.
He's keeping the right back heel.
It's okay.
Yes.
Hips heavy,
Guard.
hips heavy.
Establish your guard. Push.
Watch
Take
the
frames,
Kosoto,
you
watch
got-
your Kosoto.
Lockdown.
Yes.
Watch the underhook.
The other side and walk his hips.
Vivek, don't overcome it,
Underhook
don't
his right
overcome it.
leg. Try to underhook his
Nice,
right leg.
nice.
Underhook his
Good
right
job,
leg.
good
Underhook
Keep
his
the leg
right
back, keep
leg.
the leg back. Sprawl, keep sprawling back.
Okay,
Keep sprawling back.
bump him to
Keep nice.
other way. There's no sweep this
Be
side.
heavy, be heavy.
Right,
21
underhook the
seconds.
right leg. Underhook the right
Nice,
leg.
nice. Good job with the hips. Good job with the hips.
Nice work.
Fight with the hip.
Bump him to your right. Bump him to your right.
Nice. Underhook.
There's no knee lever there.
10 seconds on the clock now.
Keep fighting with the hips.
It's
Keep
okay.
fighting with the hips.
Minimum हम लोग को जो expectation था.
Nice, Vivekan. You're the man.
Vivek, continue passing, don't give up.
Principal matchup. Head on point.
All good. Very good.
Flamingo
खोलो.
and Flamingo